Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing what financial markets are all about. Financial markets play a crucial role in the global economy, but what exactly are they? Stick around, and we'll break it down for you. Financial markets are a mechanism through which buyers and sellers trade financial assets, such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities. These markets enable the flow of funds between investors and borrowers, allowing for the allocation of capital to those who need it most. There are different types of financial markets, including stock markets, bond markets, and foreign exchange markets. Stock markets are where companies can raise capital by issuing shares of stock to investors. Investors can then buy and sell these shares in the stock market, allowing for the exchange of ownership in the company. Bond markets, on the other hand, are where companies and governments can raise capital by issuing bonds. Bonds are essentially IOUs that pay a fixed interest rate to investors who buy them. Investors can then buy and sell these bonds in the bond market. Foreign exchange markets, also known as forex markets, are where currencies are traded between countries. Forex markets are essential for international trade and investment, as they allow for the conversion of one currency into another. Financial markets are also important for price discovery. The prices of financial assets are determined by the forces of supply and demand in the market. This means that financial markets reflect the expectations and sentiments of investors, making them an important indicator of economic activity. In conclusion, financial markets are a mechanism through which buyers and sellers trade financial assets. They play a crucial role in the global economy, enabling the allocation of capital to those who need it most. Whether it's stock markets, bond markets, or forex markets, understanding financial markets is essential for anyone who wants to invest or participate in the global economy. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what financial markets are all about. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.